Welcome back to Adventures in Engineering. This is a 2015 Subaru Forester, and I am not happy with the organizational space down here. It's just, you just sort of pile stuff in at the bottom, and sometimes it slides out, and I find that a little bit frustrating. So I came to the conclusion that what I wanted to do was add a shelf right about here. So I started with a piece of paper and folded it until I was pretty happy with it, and then I got my 3D printer and I printed what I thought would be a good fit for a shelf, and then I had to trim it a little bit to make it fit perfectly, so that then that kind of goes in there like that. And then I cut myself a piece of clear plastic to fit there, and then I printed myself some little holders, sort of L-shaped brackets, which is just an extruded square with a circle subtracted from it, a quarter circle subtracted from it, and that is going to be here to hold it up. I'm just going to use 3M tape on the side of it here to set that, stick it on here, and then I will have myself another shelf to make my organization just a little bit better. I'm starting with some 3M exterior attachment auto tape. This stuff should stick for pretty much ever, and I've stuck it onto one of my little brackets, and now I'll peel off the layer, which is never as easy as you think it's going to be. There we go. I go in here, find the bottom, try to center it. Okay, there's that piece. Now, put this in here. I'll get an idea where the side pieces go. Alright, I've placed the back bracket, and now I've placed the first side bracket at the level that I want this thing to be. So now I can come over to the other side, find the point where I want it to be. I gotta adjust that some more. Okay, think I got it. Push that into place. And now if I want to, I can put a little piece of tape on this back one just to hold it down in there, but I don't know that it's really necessary. And now I can plug in my power cord down in here. See that I have enough room for that. Yep. And now I could lay my phone or a pair of sunglasses or whatever. I can have a little bit more storage space, so I can have more and more crap in the center console of my car. And isn't that what we all want? More and more crap in the center console of our car? I think it is. Thanks for watching.